In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Roblox not loading on PlayStation. For this, you need to follow these steps. Option number 1. Rebuild PlayStation database. Important. This will erase all saved game data. So process with caution. Step number 1. Turn off your PlayStation completely. Step number 2. Press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps for PS4 or 1 long beep for PS5. Step number 3. Select Rebuild database from the safe mode options. Option number 2. Adjust graphic settings. Step number 1. Access Roblox settings. Step number 2. Lower graphic settings like texture quality, shadows and effects. Option number 3. Disable HDR. Go to PlayStation settings. Then find the display settings and disable HDR. Option number 4. Verify game installation. Check the game's installation status in the PlayStation Store. Then reinstall Roblox if necessary. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.